Hey everyone, in this video we'll be comparing Thinkorswim, which is by TD with TastyTrade. So which one is a better choice if you're choosing trading platform for options and stocks? So let's get right into it. If you talk about the ease of use, Thinkorswim is packed with advanced tools, custom charts, making it great for experienced traders, but for a bit overwhelming for beginners. On the other hand, TastyTrade has a simpler, more intuitive interface, but built specifically for option traders. TastyTrade is option-first, for offering fast order execution, option statistics, and built-in trade analysis tools. So if you trade stocks and futures, it's helpful for you. On the other hand, Thinkorswim, it is powerful charting, backtesting, and technical indicators. So Thinkorswim has more flexibility, but TastyTrade is optimized for more options. If you talk about growth and trading, both platforms offer stocks, options, futures, ETFs, but TastyTrade is built around option strategies, making it better for active traders and everything. But if you talk about Thinkorswim, it provides a deeper range of analysis tools and support paper trading, which is great for beginners. So now in the end, if you talk about pricing and fees, TastyTrade has zero commission on stocks and ETFs and low option fees. It's only at around, I guess, $1 per contract to open it. But Thinkorswim also offers commission-free stock, but its option fees are slightly higher. So if you compare both of these, Thinkorswim and TastyTrade, I'll say if you want a powerful all-in-one deep trading option, definitely go for Thinkorswim. But if you prefer a simple, slightly low-cost platform which is designed for option trading, go for TastyTrade because that's a way more better option. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.